Hello everyone. This is a video presentation of our project team, the two of us. Here, we will demonstrate our thesis project as mandated to us. We will go through the process of our system in this video presentation. First of all, as we run our system, we will be greeted by a login screen. The user is asked to input his or her credentials. We will not go into the parent side of this demonstration as it's still in its incomplete state. So here, we see the view system with its tab indicated: admin, bus, student, import and export processes, and the attendance. First, to demonstrate that we can add an admin, the system is asking for data to be implemented to the system, which includes first name, middle name, last name, address, username, password, and confirm password. Missing any of these will result into an error, as shown later on. Now, we modify it by clicking on the modify button. The same shows, but this time it's different. We update it. This is what I meant by clicking any of the fields without it being filled up. An error occurs. So we put a new password and a new confirmed password, as it should be. Now for the bus. The same process goes, but this time it'll only have a lesser fields as it needed a less more data, like the bus driver's name, the bus location of its route, its bus number, and its max capacity of students. Now we modify it. It's the same process as the admin. Now, for the student, we still go through the add section, indicating the first name, middle name, last name, address, their parents' or guardian's name, and their corresponding phone number. In this switch, the phone number represents them the way they are meant to be communicated with the system. Sorry for the skip. Now, we will edit the student. If ever the parents lost their phone number, they can just approach the admin and have their phone number changed. This way, they will still be communicated by the system afterwards. For the export process, we will export a file into a folder in the FTP server, in which is where we will transfer the JSON file to the microcomputer. As soon as it is finished transferring, the microcomputer is already booted up to receive the file. Now, we run a set of commands by changing the directory into where the file is transferred, and run the file bus attendance.py. We will see the program of the microcomputer running up with three different options. S for setup, which is for writing, A for sending a text after an scan of RFID, and Q for exit. We will go for writing first. Once the program is ready to scan, we tap an RFID card onto the RFID reader. And this will continue until you stop the program. Now, we are sending a text message to the parents. We tap the RFID card, and along with the data inside it, it will send a message to the corresponding parent that number it has. Now, for another test run, we scan another card and send a text message to the phone it represents. For the attendance, we import a text document from the microcomputer using the FTP server that we use to transfer the JSON file. In using the attendance, we use the ID number of the student to search for him and see his date logged from the RFID as shown in the screen.